Hello friend, this is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is a new finished 1000 liters model kneader mixer for our Turkey client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the material hot silicone gel or glue. For the material contact part, we use stainless steel. It is the right part. This is the chamber. And the motor we use is the Siemens brand motor and hard tooth phase reducer, Chinese famous brand, to support the strong power. And for the left part, electricity part, main components we use Schneider brand. Let's take around to see it. For the control part, we make a combination both for the touch screen PLC system and the mechanical buttons. This is the mixer itself. Left part driving system and right part is the mixing chamber, which designed with the jacket around it. Inside, we equipped the heaters for the heating function during the mixing work, and also the jacket would be filled with conduction oil. We can see the whole top lid is stainless steel, and also we make a polish for the outside. This is a manhole which can be used for the powder material feeding, and two windows, glass windows, one with light. That is vacuum meter, and we can see the metal pipes. This is buffer tank. Water ring type vacuum pump. This consists of the vacuum system, so it has a vacuum system during the work. And hydraulic station. We use a hydraulic station consists of the vacuum system for the top lid open and close, for the cylinder tilting and back to the original position for the discharging period. This is the gears cover, belt cover, motor reducer, cabinet, PLC system. Okay, now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. I would like to make a simple test for it. Let's focus on the panel. Voltage meter, amp meter, touch screen. We have three languages: Chinese, English, and Turkish. This is the emergency stop button. For the mechanic buttons part, for the blade direction, forward, reverse, stop, speed up, speed down. For the vacuum pump, open and close. Top lid control, lid open, lid close. Cylinder tilting and back. This is for the light of one of the glass window on the top lid. Okay, now I release the emergency stop button. First, we use the PLC touch screen system, English, main motor control. We make it mixing forward. This is the mixing reverse, mixing off. Speed control. Speed down, speed up. Speed up. After set, the shaft speed would be displayed on this position. This is the frequency set, speed set. We can go back to the home. This is for top lid and the cylinder tilting back. Temperature control. Material temperature display, jacket temperature display. We can set here. Okay, now we open the light. I would like to go to the top part to see the performance. We need to use this ladder. It's some tall. Okay, this is a window and another with a light. This is for check. Now we can see the plain ones are Sigma blades. Now they are rotating in the forward direction. To see it clearly, we can check via this window. Okay, later we would check it with reverse direction. Okay. Now we speed up. Also we can use the mechanical buttons. Speed up. Now we test the max speed. Wait a while. Step by step. This is good for machine. Okay, here it is. Now this blade is the max shaft speed, 37. That's 502. Now I stop it. Then we test the reverse direction. Mixing reverse. Also we can set the reverse direction speed. The reverse direction mainly used for the material discharging. To see it clearly, we set a low speed, okay? Now speed is 9. Okay, I open the manhole. In this way, we can see the Sigma blades clearly. Now the blades rotating in the reverse direction with a low speed. We can see that all material contact part we use stainless steel and mill polished. Okay, now I close it. And fasten. Okay. Then we give it a higher speed. Speed up. Speed down. Both works. Okay. What I would like to introduce is a safety protection system regarding the sensors on the back side of the machine. Sensors here. Once the top lid open, the mixer will stop work for safety consideration. Now during the making work situation, I would like to make the top lid opened to see what happened. Okay, lid open. Just now, I make the top lid open during the mixing blades rotating. However, without any operation on the stop button, the mixer stopped. This is for safety consideration. This is a safety protection system. And then I display the cylinder tilting. In this way, material would be discharged out of the cylinder after work. Okay, now we can see the blades clearly. Two big arms, Sigma blades. However, even in this situation, for the convenience of the material discharging, we also equipped the inching switch function. I must keep my finger on the button on the screw-in button continuously to drive the blade's reverse direction rotating. Now I would like to display jogging button. Okay. Once I remove my finger, it will not work. It will not work. Same principle for the mechanic buttons. Reverse. Remove not work. This is, we call it inching switch function. Also convenient for the maintenance and cleaning of the mixer. Now we mix the cylinder back. Back. Top lid closed. Top lid closed. Okay, so this is a simple introduction and function test for the new finished 1000 liters model kneader mixer for Turkey client for high-vis material mixing work. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Karvil Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.